Welcome to the Golf League Network video tutorial for using a substitute player, which the Golf League Network simply calls a sub, for a league player that cannot play a particular round and someone else will be filling in for that player. Your first step will begin here on the home page, where you will select from the tab called Scoring. From here, we're going to click on Score Entry, and next you'll be prompted to select from a drop-down box the round in which the substitute will be playing in. Once you've selected the correct round, you will find Enter Score buttons to the left of all the players or team names. Please note that in this demonstration, the Enter Scores text denotes that no scores have been entered yet for the player or team. However, if the admin gets the information that a sub was used after scores have been entered, a sub still can be selected, but the tab will now say Change Scores instead of Enter Scores. However, the following steps will still apply. At this point, simply click on the Enter Scores button to the left of the team or player's name who will not be playing. You are now on the Score Entry screen. Under each player's name, you will see the word Sub, and directly below that, a brown button that says Pick a Sub. Click on the brown Pick a Sub button, and directly to the right will appear a box with the word Select and a drop-down chevron. Click on this drop-down chevron, and a listing will appear containing all golfers that are available to play as a sub, which includes not only the names of players in your sub roster, but any regular players who are not playing in this round. Find the person's name that will be playing as the sub, highlight it, and then click on that name. Please note that if the player is not found in this populated sub list, you will have to exit and go into the admin area and under Golfers select Subs and add the new sub to your listing. Now that you are back on the Score Entry screen, you will see that the regular player's name will still be showing, but directly to the right, it will now also say Subbed By and the person's name who you have chosen to be the sub. At this point, if you know the sub's handicap, click the drop-down chevron in the Override Handicap field and select the player's handicap. However, if you do not know the sub's handicap at this time, this step can be done at the time of score entry. If everything is now correct for this team, click the Save button. If the sub will not be playing on the default tees, you will need to go select his or her correct tees under Golfers in Admin by going into Override Tees and Handicaps and choosing this correct round and choosing the correct markers for that sub. Also note that the Golf League Network software will pair up a match containing a sub by looking at the sub's handicap to determine what rank the sub is. If the Golf League Network's pairing is not what is wanted for this match, please go into the Admin section and under Special, go into Override Player Ranks and make your corrections here. If all the information is now correct for the sub, you are ready to go print up-to-date reports, such as scorecards, pairings, tee times, and the sub's name and information will now appear in place of the absent golfer. While it is always recommended that the sub be chosen before the round, sometimes this is not possible. You may choose a sub right at the time when scores are about to be entered into the system, or even after the round has been completed by following these same steps.